Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off custom wallpaper motion on your iPhone. So for you to be able to turn off this custom wallpaper motion, you have to open your WhatsApp, then you click on the get button. Once you click on the get button, then you scroll down a little and click on chat. Once you click on chat, then you click on the first option, which is chat wallpaper. Once you click on it, then you click on choose a new wallpaper. Then from here you can simply go for any custom wallpaper of your choice. I'm just going to go for this. So once I have this, then there's an option in between this, in between the cancel and the set, which is something like this. You can see. So this actually gives you the option to turn off motion for each custom wallpaper on your iPhone. So right now, if this is actually on your own wallpaper on your iPhone and you don't want it, you can just come back and simply turn this off. And that's it. Find this video full, like and follow for more. Thank you.